Hi, welcome to Nova Wellness here in Roseland, New Jersey.
I'm Dr. Chris DiGiorgio, and this is my wife, Dr. Jennifer Knight. We're the co-founders and owners here at Nova Wellness, and we're excited to show you around. We're starting off right here in our waiting area where we have a coffee bar and sparkling water. We have our reception desk, and you can follow us around through here. Right over here, we have our supplement wall as well as our intention bowls. And this is our infusion room. This is where we have really bespoke physician curated infusions that are tailored to each individual. We have stuff for people who are well and want to stay that way. We have things for people who are sick, whether it's a cold or migraines or PMS or any neurodegenerative autoimmune disorders. We have everything. While you're here in the infusion room, we have red light therapy panels. We have DNA Vibe, which is a patch that you can use that has red light, infrared light therapy, vibration, magnetic therapy, helps you recover from injuries. You can use brain tap meditation devices. All of that's complimentary in our members only infusion room. We'll head over now to our exercise physiology suite. Here we have our state-of-the-art exercise physiology room where we assess body composition using the gold standard DEXA as well as an in-body, which uses electrical impedance, so it's radiation free. We can do it more frequently. We have our AI weight machine that we use to do strength assessments because we know how important muscle mass and strength are to overall wellness and longevity. And then we have our metabolic testing where we do RMR and VO2 max, looking at your resting metabolic rate, how many calories you burn in a day at rest, as well as a VO2 max, which assesses a marker of longevity, looking at the way your heart, your blood vessels, your muscles, and your lungs work together to utilize oxygen in an efficient way. And follow us down this hallway where we have 3 consultation rooms. We really have them built in an interactive, environment where we have a TV on the wall, where we screen mirror our computers, so patients are really involved in everything we're doing. We're really invested with patients, and our consultations range anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes at least. Back here we have our nurses station with our medication fridge, and then we can move back into our women's health exam room.
This is my favorite room. I decided a few years ago that I wanted to focus a big part of Nova on women's health because I feel like there's such need out there for women to get care that's compassionate, empathetic, that actually understands what women are going through different parts of their lives, whether they're younger and they're experiencing hormonal fluctuations or whether they're going through perimenopause and menopause, to have someone that really understands what's going on with women and can help them navigate through those times and treat with hormones when necessary and appropriate.
This is my favorite room, which is the advanced cardiovascular suite as well as the regenerative medicine suite. So we do everything here looking upstream of traditional cardiovascular medicine. So we're not doing things like stress tests and calcium scores. We're going 20 years before that. We're looking at the root causes of cardiovascular disease and identifying what levers to pull so that we can help turn off the disease process at its root. We also do regenerative medicine in here. I use ultrasound guidance to assess soft tissue and joint injuries, and that helps us to localize the area that needs treatment. We can then apply our shockwave machine to it, which is acoustic sound wave that go directly to the site of injury. We can do ultrasound guided injections of peptides directly into joints, and we can even do PRP the same way right under ultrasound guidance. So we really have developed a full spectrum facility here. Not only Dr. Jen and myself, who have 7 board certifications between us, we have a health coach, we have a registered dietitian, we even have an exercise physiologist who has a master's from Columbia. We really are a one-stop shop here right in Roseland, New Jersey.
I really enjoyed giving you a tour of Nova Wellness. This space is so special to us and we're so passionate about what we do here.
If you'd like to hear more about our Integrative Medicine Center here in Roseland, New Jersey, please check out our website where you have multiple options to get in touch with us.